Hello Supervisor. Today we are discussing within a new technical video how to work with electricity within a safety or a safely, and we are discussing in about electricity shocks. Follow the routine SOP. Remember, especially remember during the works, double check and make sure about the circuit breaker is tuned off or not, and read the instruction when you were working on any electrical device. Exams of a cords, know your plugs, and never work in the near to the water equipment. Clearly label wires and others things during the operation of any work start on electricity. So we are discussing our topic before. Please subscribe my channel to get the more videos like this and also updated video. I am daily updating about the videos of electrical faults or any electrical devices and different videos according to the technical views. So we are starting our topic. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So we are starting our topic. If you don't know how to work with an electricity safely, you can injury to kill yourself. Following basic electrical safety tips in a critical. After all, never knows who works on electrical wiring before you. Means, and our first electrical point about according to the safety is electrical shock can kill, so don't do the repair when you are tired or distracted or rushed mood. Means don't start your work when you are tired and distracted or rushed. Follow a routine aid and double check yourself if each step of the way. Means every step you are physically fit or not fit for their work. Remember that just because of a hot wires are supposed to the colored and the neutral wire white, people don't always follow the rule, especially if they don't know what they are doing. Means here is any clearly and understand according to the electrical law, there is a hot wire is within a color and neutral always in a white or in a black. In some countries, the neutral cable is used for using within a black color. Double check to make sure that this appliance is unplugged before you start the work on it. Means there has been electrical supply has been disconnected or not. Means clearly make sure and double check on it. If you are working, I am giving an example. If you are working on an iron, means iron is unplugged or disconnected or not, then you will be open and check them where is the fault occur or any element or any switch button or on off button has been broken or disconnected. Turn off the circuit breaker or unplugging the fuse feeding the electricity to the outlet or a switch you want to work on it. In a doubt, turn off a power to the house. Means if you have working on a main line of any board or extension cords during the fault, so you have to turn off the breaker, make sure this breaker has been put off and check the supply and the fuses has been removed or not removed. Then you will work on any power line. Read the instructions several times until the sequence is fixed in your mind. Examine the cords and the wires carefully so that you can which parts of a hot, which is a neutral colored wire and the supposed to be a hot wire, white is a neutral. 8 point is a known your plugs. The narrow progon always carries electricity. The white progon is a neutral. Never work in or never near to the water within a power equipment. Means if the water is available on a floor and you will be starting any work on it, then that will be creates an unwanted or a critical situation for any electrician or for you to kill him. Don't open the service panel while standing in the water. Means when you will stand in the water and don't open the panel, electrical panel. Clearly label the wires and bend them in a different direction so that no part of your hot wire accidentally touch each other. Means clearly specify the wires. Means if you have open or any work on an extension board or any electrical switch, then you will be differentiated them. Check that power is still off before you twist or spiles the wire together. Match the color to the color, don't cross them. Means check the carefully color of the wires and then will be slash them to the each other or twisted to the each other. Always review each step to make sure you didn't it right, especially before tuning the power back on. Means first you have a work on it and then you will be check especially one by one point and then you will be power supply on. If any un or a wrong circuit has wrong connection has been done, then electricity will be run in a wrong way and then can be damaged the electrical system or a electrical power device which is operating on it. Note these instructions I have clearly explained one by one, and you need to remember a 5 point of a safety. Means first is off the line, second option is check the line, then start your work and then complete your work and then again before your supply on, then you will remember then and then will be run on. Check them properly, supply has been available or not available. If any fault you will be work, that fault will be clearly or not clear. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing and support me. Thank you.